Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Black Truffle Pie recipe in Heartopia. So this is one of the best high value recipes in this game. It will making it a great way for new players to earn coins quickly. And in here first you just need to collect black truffles. You can collect it at the forest island. On here you can just collect the truffle mushroom on here. And then after you collect the mushroom, just go to your stove, and then in here just tap on it, and then just choose the mushroom pie recipe like this on here. Make sure you choose the original recipe like this, and then after that just simply replace the mushroom ingredients with black truffle like this, and then next after that just simply tap start cooking. And then once it's finished, you will successfully unlock and cook the black truffle pie recipe. And then after that you can cook it anytime as long as you have the required ingredients. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.